Before actually understanding what are we going to do in this lecture, we'll just have a look at the demo first. So here I'm trying to create an approaching and moving away target, or it can be a hand, it can be anything. So how actually these kind of applications can be used? Popularly, these kind of applications will be used in mobile phone technology, where you can actually do the volume control and also picking up your calls. These are basically been tried to achieve by moving away your hand towards the phone or away from the phone. Also, you can, when you are trying to answer your call, and you found out like at a situation you have to shift to loudspeaker, you can just put your call aside, which will automatically switch into loudspeaker mode. So basically, the intentions of these sensors in IoT can be in any form. I leave it to your imagination and implementation point of view. Thank you.